ఆ బ్యాగ్లో కీస్ ఉన్నాయండి.
Hello, this is Damos Veda Vijnanam. Now I am going to show you Ramayana period coin of Sita Rama Lakshmana from Maratha dynasty, which will be something unique, never seen by a lot of people. This coin is for sale. Hope you like this. The coin has Shivalinga on the back side and Sita Rama on the front. This coin is issued by Maratha kings and it has Shivalingam, sun, moon, bow in the hand of Rama and is very clear. Hope you like this coin.